Hello friends, welcome to our fun English learning journey. Today we are going to learn the names of insects in English. Are you ready? Let's get started. Insects are a small creature with 6 legs. Some can fly and some crawl. Let's meet our little insect friends and learn their names. A spider. This is a spider. A spider has 8 legs and a spin webs. Can you say a spider? Cockroach. Next we have a cockroach. Cockroaches are brown and can run very fast. Say cockroach with me. Cockroach. Wasp. This is a wasp. It's yellow and black and can sting. Repeat after me. Wasp. Mosquito. Here is a mosquito. Mosquito fly and bite. Can you say mosquito? Dragonfly. This is a dragonfly. It has big wings and loves to fly near water. Say it with me. Dragonfly. Grasshopper. Now meet the grasshopper. Grasshoppers jump very high. Say grasshopper. Housefly. This is a housefly. You might see it buzzing around your house. Say housefly. Next is a butterfly. Butterflies are colorful and beautiful. Say butterfly. This is an ant. Ants are tiny and work very hard. Say ant. Moth. Here is a moth. Moths are like butterflies, but they fly at night. Say moth. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. This is a caterpillar. It eats leaves and turns into a butterfly. Say caterpillar. Termite. This is a termite. Termites live in wood. Say termite. Here is a beetle. Beetles have hard shells. Say beetle. Honeybee. This is a honeybee. Honeybees make honey. Say honeybee. Lodge. This is a lodge. It's very tiny and lives on animals. Say lodge. Bedbug. This is a bedbug. It's a small and hides in beds. Say bedbug. Finally, we have centipede. It has so many legs. Say centipedes. Great job. Now let's practice. I will show you in the picture and you guess the names of the insects. Ready? Here. A spider. Cockroach. Wasp. Mosquito. Housefly. Butterfly. Dragonfly. Grasshopper. Ant. Moth. Beetle. Termite. Caterpillar. Lodge. Bedbug. Centipede. Honeybee. You did amazing today. Keep practicing and you will learn English no time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more fun lessons. Bye bye.